So we have here a 3 counts of no contest plea to count 1 admitted second degree murder, count 3 no contest weapons, firearms, possession by felon, and count 4 no contest weapons, felony, firearm. I'll just note that the count 1 has a life maximum term, count 3 has a 5-year maximum term, and count 4 has a 2-year flat, which is basically a minimum 2 maximum 2-year term. We've heard from our victim representatives today. You sir have 2 prior felonies. You were in the juvenile court system. You have 1 prior term in prison. You were on parole at the time that this happened. The upside is you've gotten your GED, but certainly the prior felonies are significant because they relate to firearms and your use and misuse of firearms. We'll get into that more in just a moment. But looking at the guidelines, count 1 had a 270 to 450 a month guideline range. Count 3 has a 19 to 30 month guideline range, and then count 4 has a flat 2-year term, so minimum 2-year, maximum 2-year term. Parties did reach a sentencing agreement in the sense of no contest to amended count 1, 3, and 4, dismissing counts 2, 5, and habitual offender count. And sir, looking back to February 9 of 2022, you shot and killed your 2-year-old daughter. You shot her in the eye. You were both naked in bed when this occurred. And you shot another bullet that went in the downstairs area and could have killed your neighbor. Well, luckily it didn't. But it's, the overlap here of just, abuse, and not just having firearms, but the abuse of firearms is horrendous. And it's a horrendous fact pattern. In this case, it was painful to read the facts. Cause of death was gunshot wound to Khalise's head. Manner of death was homicide. The shot was fired approximately 4 feet away. I really couldn't imagine a more difficult fact pattern to work through in the type of case. Based on the sentencing guidelines that I've just discussed, statutory maximums, the facts of the case, and the underlying circumstances that I've reviewed and involved here, the defendant must first serve a 2-year flat term, which is a minimum of 2 years, maximum 2 years on the felony firearm count. He's entitled to 3 days credit for that. Concurrent with the felony firearm, he will serve 24 months to 5 years in MDOC on the firearm's possession by a felon. He's entitled to 3 days credit for that. Consecutive to the felony firearm, concurrent with the firearm's possession by a felon, the defendant will serve a sentence of 396 months, which is 33 years, to 720 months, which is 60 years in MDOC for second degree murder. The defendant's not entitled to any credit, and all of these are consecutive to parole. I will add $240 in state costs, $130 in crime victim assessment, $1 for court costs, just noting that our average cost for a criminal case in King County is $1,861, and so the imposition of 1,000 court costs is appropriate in this case. I will order a $500 fine. This is the final sentence of the court. You will receive a 4 minutes later. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.